7:30. Same time, same spot, same wall. My brethren watching from the shop front, already having a ball. She come round the bend like clockwork, like the morning built around her wall. Me open me mouth to say something and produce absolutely no talk. She passed me close enough to notice, glance back once with a little smile, the kind that cost her absolutely nothing, but keep a man waiting a while. Every morning, same corner, every morning, same place. Every morning she walk past me, sunlight on her face. Every morning me tell myself, today is the day. Every morning same answer, she just walk away. Same corner, same story, same glory. Tuesday she asks me carry her bag, the whole street go completely still. Me nearly trip over me own 2 feet, going uphill. 3 blocks me walk like a diplomat, bagging and chest out head high. She take it back without a word, never even catch me eye. Me brethren fall off the step laughing, mother hear about it by noon. She said, boy, that girl using you like a service, like a free afternoon. Me say, mother, you not understand. She said, no, son, is you who not understand. Me reach the corner next morning, right on time as planned. Every morning, same corner, every morning, same place. Every morning she walk past me, sunlight on her face. Every morning me tell myself, today is the day. Every morning same answer, she just walk away. Same corner, same story, same food, same lonely. Me know she not love me, knowing it from the start, but something about the corner